Um, Good morning, sir. My name is Madonna Eric Jans from second year Alpha, and my reaction video in first video is the death sentence and the poisoning of a Netflix executive highlights the severity of such crimes. It proves that even the powerful in entertainment are not exempt from calculated violence. Behind showbiz, glamour lie darker truths, and justice must apply to all regardless status. And second video is the insulin poison case shows how medicine meant to heal can be weaponized in the wrong hands. Insulin becomes a silent killer. This is stress for the strict regulation and accountability within the medical system to protect lives. The third one is Alexander Litvinenkos. Poison reveals the deadly intersection of espionage and politics. The case exposed how covert operation can be lethal, making clear that political conflicts often unfold in dangerous, hidden ways. The fourth one is the idea of perfect poison is both fascinating and frightening. Some toxin kills without trace and challenging even the most skilled investor. This highlights the need for advanced forensic science to solve complex, nearly invisible crime. And the fifth one, Reverend Moore's case reveals the limits of modern medicine. A rare condition can remain undiagnosed despite today's tools, delaying treatment. It emphasizes the need of continuous innovation in medical diagnostic and research. And number six, it's troubling that the Manila police declared the case closed before receiving the final lab result. Premature conclusion can mislead the public and hinder justice. Sensitive cases throughout evidence-based investigation, not rush decision. Sorry sir for the maingay sir. Thank you po.